Imagine a child trying to sleep. The room is quiet, the night is calm, but their mind won't stay quiet. They turn left, they turn right, yet inside their heart, small thoughts begin to whisper. What if something bad happens? Why am I feeling scared? Why won't my mind stop? There is nothing scary in the room, but their mind feels heavy. Their thoughts feel loud. Their heart feels unprotected. Every kid, every teen, even adults feel this sometimes. When whispers come from nowhere, when fear appears without a reason, when the heart needs comfort. And for moments exactly like this, Allah revealed a surah. A surah that protects your mind, your heart, and your thoughts. A shield against whispers you cannot see and fears you cannot explain. This is Surah An-Naas. Why the surah was revealed? People came to the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and asked, how do we protect ourselves from the whispers inside us, from thoughts that make us scared or confused? Allah answered with this surah, a surah that teaches you where to run when your heart feels weak and your mind feels noisy. Ayah 1. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. Say, I seek protection with the Lord of all people, the one who made you, the one who loves you, the one who never leaves you alone, not even for a second. Ayah 2. Malikin Nas, the king of all people, the one who has full control over every whisper, every fear, every hidden thought. Ayah 3. Ilahin Nas, the God of all people, the only one we worship, the only one we trust, the one who is closer to you than your own heartbeat. Ayah 4. Min sharril waswasil khannas, from the evil of the whisperer who hides. These whispers come softly, quietly, making you doubt yourself, feel scared, or feel weak. But Allah teaches, whispers have no power when you seek His protection. Ayah 5. الَّذِي يُوَسْوِسُ فِي صُدُورِ النَّاسِ, the one who whispers into the hearts of people. These whispers sneak into your thoughts, but Allah's light is stronger than any whisper. Ayah 6. مِنَ الْجِنَّةِ وَالنَّاسِ, whispers can come from jinn or people, but none of them can harm you when Allah guards your heart and mind. Lessons of Surah An-Naas. This surah teaches you, Allah protects your mind. Allah protects your heart. Allah protects you from every whisper. Allah is your safe place.